In this video, we are going to see that if you are having problem in launching the Microsoft Edge browser or on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, here's how you can easily repair that, fix that, and solve its launching issues or using issues. I'll tell you a couple of solutions. Don't worry, I'm not going to tell you only to reinstall that. So first of all, what we'll do is we will go to the Start menu and we will click on File, Explorer Options. Enter that and we switch to View tab. Under Hidden Files and Folders, we need to click on Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. And just remember that before moving to the next step, we need to apply an OK, only then it will be saved. And after that, what we need to do is right here, Computer, or just right here, this PC, or we can manually go it from any folder. Basically, we click on this corner in the File Explorer and we switch to this PC. And then we click on C drive. As you can see, the hidden folders are also shown. We click on the users, click on the profile, and we can see app data here. And since we have shown all the hidden files, then you should be able to see it because this is a hidden folder. Click on that, double click on local, and you click on the packages, choose packages here. And then we want to search for Microsoft Edge, something like that. So just press M and this will take you to the Microsoft Edge folders. And or what we can do is we can write here Edge. And basically we want this folder, 8 Wiki B3. Now we will right click on this, click on Show More Options and hit Delete. Now when it's deleted, we'll clear the search. And after that, just close out of here. You want to restart your computer once. And once we have restarted the computer, what we'll do is we will head over to the PowerShell, hit enter, and actually make sure that we run it as administrator. Right click on this and run as administrator. Click yes. We want to full screen this so that you can easily see everything. And after that, you just need to paste this command that I'll link with the description of this video. So just copy and paste that, hit enter. And after that, you just close out of here and try to run Microsoft Edge like so. And this should perfectly load and work now. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.